Hello, everyone! Are you tired of eating the same old boring dinners every night? Well, we've got you covered with 10 top best healthy dinner ideas that are not only nutritious, but also super delicious. Number 1. Sheet pan chicken fajitas. This dish is a crowd pleaser and for good reason. It's easy to make, packed with flavor, and super healthy. Serve with warm tortillas, salsa, guacamole, and a squeeze of lime juice to salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a great source of protein and healthy fats, while roasted vegetables add fiber and essential nutrients. You can even add a dollop of Greek yogurt to the salmon for extra protein and a tangy flavor. 3. Lentil soup. This hearty soup is perfect for a cozy night in. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, while vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions add vitamins and minerals. Add your favorite herbs and spices like thyme, rosemary, and bay leaf. For chicken stir-fry, this dish is a quick and easy weeknight meal. Chicken breast is a great source of protein, while vegetables like broccoli, snap peas, and carrots add fiber and essential nutrients. To make chicken stir-fry, cut chicken into bite-sized pieces and stir-fry with your favorite vegetables and sauce. Serve over brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. 5. Turkey meatballs with marinara sauce. These meatballs are a healthier take on a classic Italian dish. Turkey is a great source of lean protein, while marinara sauce adds a rich, flavorful sauce. To make turkey meatballs, mix ground turkey with breadcrumbs, eggs, and Parmesan cheese. Roll into balls and bake or pan fry until cooked through. Serve with your favorite pasta and a side of marinara sauce. 6. Shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. This dish is a lighter take on a classic Italian seafood dish. Shrimp is a great source of protein and healthy fats, while zucchini noodles add fiber and essential nutrients. Serve with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and fresh parsley. 7. Greek salad with grilled chicken. This salad is a great option for a light, refreshing dinner. Greek salad is made with cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, and feta cheese, while grilled chicken adds a great source of protein. To make Greek salad with grilled chicken, simply toss all of your favorite ingredients in a bowl and serve. 8. Black bean burgers. These burgers are a delicious and nutritious plant-based meal. Black beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, while whole wheat buns and fresh vegetables add essential nutrients. 9. Tofu scramble with vegetables. This dish is a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Tofu is a great source of plant-based protein, while vegetables like onions, bell peppers, and spinach add essential nutrients. To make tofu scramble with vegetables, crumble tofu and sauté with your favorite vegetables and seasonings. Serve with a side of whole grain toast or a bed of greens. 10. Quinoa with roasted butternut squash and kale. This dish is a delicious and nutritious meal that is perfect for fall. Quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, while roasted butternut squash and kale add essential nutrients and a seasonal touch. To make quinoa with roasted butternut squash and kale, simply toss all of your favorite ingredients in a bowl and serve. And there you have it, 10 top best healthy dinner ideas that are not only nutritious, but also super delicious. We hope you enjoyed these recipes and that they've given you some inspiration for your own healthy cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, happy cooking and eating.